More technology, rugged styling, and go anywhere capability. The 2024 Tacoma is ready to go places. Let's take one on the road and see what it's all about.
All right, someone bring the sauce. It's taco time. I think they really put a lot of thought into this personally, and I think Toyota's got another home run on their hands.
The attention to detail in it is amazing.
Definitely owns up to the Tacoma legendary nameplate for sure. Toyota's got TSS 3.0 on this, right?
Yeah. Upgraded safety systems and everything. So you got the full lane assist, the adaptive cruise control. You can adjust the sensitivity on both those too, which is super nice. The attention to detail with like the white trim on the front and the black.
I do like this. I do like this white trim.
Look at the TRD on the white part on the door.
Oh, that is.
I didn't see that.
Just an attention to detail, dude.
That's awesome. Those all-terrain tires will come in handy when it snows 2 feet in a week, right?
Exactly.
As long as we don't see that again, right? I like they've got more available blind spot with rear cross traffic alert on this too.
Oh yeah.
I think that's pretty sweet. And I know I was just talking to a guy yesterday on a competitor, and he's like, I need blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert, that's for sure.
It's one of those things you hop into a car now and it almost seems weird not to have it than to have it.
Exactly. Now, one thing that I thought was really cool about these new Tacomas is you got LED lights on all grades. I can't tell you how many times I've had somebody come in, at least in those previous generations, and then just already pay for the upgraded headlights. It's like, it's nice that it's just standard, and you don't have to worry about it too.
Well, and I know we all talked when the Tundra got its upgrade and refresh a couple of years ago with that big screen. This finally getting that screen upgrade following with the 12.3 and then the big 14-inch when you have the upgraded sound system and stuff is just incredible.
Totally.
With the new big screen, that backup camera is even easier to see. With that came the wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well.
Yeah, it's just way easier connectivity.
Yeah, I like with this, even on these off-roads without getting the premium, you can still get the available 14-inch multimedia system as well as that 12.3-inch multi-information display as well too. Does this one have that JBL speaker?
Not this one. That'll be on I think some of the higher grades though. That's a great option to have.
Yeah.
That's just like a really nice feature.
If I'm not mistaken, you can pair multiple speakers, right?
Yeah. So if you have a couple over at home, get out to fishing or anything like that, pull them out and have them all hooked up together. Super nice. Always got one in the vehicle.
You guys ever check out those airbag placements? I think they said they had 8 airbags.
8 airbags.
Yeah, it's got some here, one over there. See a couple over there. Man, this thing's got some power.
Yeah. I know. 8-speed's super smooth too.
I really like that, dude. I think in the old 4-cylinders, even the V6s, you felt those shifts early on, and this new turbo just does such a great job of making it more seamless.
Yeah, and I've always felt like an 8-speed was kind of the perfect gear ratio to have for most things. It just makes everything a lot smoother. You don't have to deal with a bunch of overshifting or anything, and I mean, this picks up the power a lot better with that transmission now too.
How cool is this truck? We are so excited to finally welcome the 4th generation Toyota Tacoma. As you can see right behind me here, we have the 2024 Tacoma in that TRD Sport configuration. It has some aggressive exterior styling that is guaranteed to turn some heads out on the road. And when you step inside the truck, you're also gonna see a sleek and modernized interior design. And for those who like to use that truck bed for some tough jobs, we have a sheet molded composite bed that's gonna be able to tackle almost any job that you throw at it. You're also gonna have an option to have a power up and down tailgate for that sheet molded composite bed, depending upon how you want to customize your truck. And true to Toyota and the Tacoma nameplate, there is a Tacoma for everyone. We're gonna have available features such as a heated steering wheel, heated and ventilated power front seats. For those who like to let their hair down, a power moonroof, as well as a power rear window. You're also gonna have power running boards on the Tacoma. How cool is that? And true to the previous generations, Toyota still offers that 5 and 6 foot bed configuration. Toyota's also going to offer an extra cab configuration for those who don't need as many passengers, or a double cab configuration, as you can see here behind me, for those who like to haul maybe just a few more passengers. At the end of the day, Toyota wanted to make sure that this Tacoma serves you in all aspects of your life. Whether or not you're going to get mulch at the local hardware store or tailgating here at Kinnick Stadium, Toyota wanted to make sure that you're set to go places.
Man, it's a great day to kind of go out for a drive, don't you think, guys?
Oh, 100%, man.
That's so nice out.
I just couldn't get over the fact of just how much Toyota's packed into the connected services suite these days, especially in these new Tacomas. Damon, I don't know if you could pull up Engage, just double check my math here. If I remember correctly, we've got Safety Connect, you know, with that SOS button that you can call emergency services to kind of send you to your vehicle's GPS location, a remote connect, like remote start the Tacoma from your cell phone. I think it's also got Service Connect too, where you can
schedule service appointments.
Thank
all
you.
That stuff
Yes.
super easily. Yeah.
Oh, that Drive Connect. I love that new cloud navigation, and then Wi-Fi Connect too, especially for those, you know, people who work from their vehicles or their trucks or that are on the road there. Is that right?
Yeah. Yep. All of it's in the new Tacomas, which is awesome. Great thing is that having that just remote connect in general and all the safety connect and stuff, the extra information you can get about your vehicle and kind of what's going on, and easily set up appointments without having to call and, you know, talk to 7 different people. It's always nice to reach out to your sales guy and stuff, of course.
Absolutely.
Having the ability to do it on your own and not have to, you know, wait, or you can do it at night, late after work or anything like that is super nice.
Yeah, just being able to keep track of everything is really, really nice, especially that vehicle health report. That's a super nice report to have, especially if you keep it for a while. It kind of tells you everything that's going on with the car, and you don't have to worry about a whole lot. You can get pretty accurate information off of there and kind of know exactly what you're going to be getting done in service ahead of time.
Well, like you said, nice snowy day in the middle of April in Iowa.
Right.
You can use that remote start, gives you the countdown. You get 2 remote starts out of it, if I remember correctly, before you have to actually go out.
Yeah, absolutely. My wife uses hers all the time.
Exactly. So after driving this one, it makes me 10 times more excited for the iForce Max in these, because this blew me away with the performance, but it means that iForce Max is just going to be that much more impressive for the low-end torque and towing, and it's going to be cool, man.
So Toyota is now offering 3 different engines on the Toyota Tacoma. You have a 2.4 liter turbo, a 2.4 liter turbo iForce, and a 2.4 liter iForce Max hybrid engine. A hybrid Tacoma for the first time ever. You're gonna get up to a whopping 326 horsepower. That is crazy. I don't think I've ever seen a mid-sized truck with that much horsepower. You're also gonna get up to 6,500 pounds of towing on a Tacoma. That is bonkers. Now, when you're customizing your Tacoma, there are a lot of options to think about. One thing to consider is Toyota is still gonna offer that 2-wheel drive option, also a 4-wheel drive option, and a full-time 4-wheel drive option. Now, manual transmissions are becoming increasingly rare. You can still get a manual transmission Tacoma. While you're customizing your Tacoma, for those who like to get super technical, you're also gonna have the option for a multi-link coil rear suspension, stabilizer bar disconnect, as well as multi-terrain select, as well as crawl control on some of our more technical trims.
Combining luxury with performance, the Toyota Tacoma brings everything to the table. When you're ready to learn more, ToyotaOfIowaCity.com.